Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve a 504, that's an error, as well as the 502 bad gateway error you're coming across on your Chrome browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome browser, and you want to select the menu icon up at the top right, and select Settings. Now you want to search settings, go ahead and left click inside of here, up at the bar at the top, and type in privacy. You want to go ahead and select site settings now. And now you want to go underneath cookies. So scroll down. And underneath content, cookies, and site data, go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go ahead and locate the site that you're having the problem with here. And now you want to select see all cookies and site data. Now you're going to go into this list here of different sites that have your cookies saved and remove any for the sites you're having the problem with. So just go ahead and select any sites from this list, remove those cookies, and then relaunch the browser. And then hopefully the issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.